What's up, VIPs? We are installing the Kavaca paint protection film on the full Corvette C8. It is going down right now. We're doing the A-pillar. This is the 12-year paint protection film. This is a self-healing. This is meant to protect the vehicle from rocks, chips, and any road debris. So on this one, customer's doing full vehicle, which is every single painted surface. Look at this, looks beautiful. Black exterior, red interior. Super nice. We're using the Kavaca 12-year instant healing paint protection film. Gives you a nice glossy finish, and it has a hydrophobic effect. Come on by, check us out, 389 North US Highway 1792 in Longwood, Florida, and see how we can protect your vehicle.